हमारे साथ रहने का बहुत शुक्रिया। अज़्म आली शान जवां क़यादत, मुस्तक़बिल की क़यादत हमने ही चुननी है, हमने ही तैयार करनी है, हमने ही उसको इनेबल करना है, ताकि मुस्तक़बिल के जो कायद हैं वो ये ना कहें कि अरे हमें तो कुछ बताया ही ना था। ये वही सिलसिला है, पहला राउंड जिसमें उर्दू प्री प्रिपेयर्ड तकारीर जो हैं उनका मुकाबला हुआ, जजेस ने, हमने सब ने मिलकर फैसला किया। अब अगला राउंड है जहाँ पे इनको एक्सटेम्पररी बोलना होगा, एक टॉपिक अंग्रेजी का निकलेगा। उस राउंड की इब्तिदा करते हैं मेरे ख्याल से अलीज़ा साहब आपसे। आइए तशरीफ लाइए, आपको टॉपिक बताएंगी, बजर 1.5 मिनट का बजर, 2 मिनट। आइए तशरीफ जी मेरी फरमाइए।
Alize, what your potluck subject is on which you'll be speaking for 2 minutes on English. What is the main reason of disagreement with your parents? क्या मेन वजह है कि आपको अपने वालिदैन से डिसएग्रीमेंट होता है?
Good evening, everyone. I would like to talk about something that is a part of everybody's life, I guess, and it's a part of my life as well. My parents, two most important people in my life. But definitely, when you love someone, you care for someone, you live with someone for like most of the time. So there are things that you might disagree about, and something that I disagree. Something that I do not agree about with my parents' opinion is the fact that they tell me that I'm supposed to, after my O-levels, I'm supposed to do my intermediate. But I do not agree with it. That's because I plan to become a doctor when I grow up. For that, there's still the system in Pakistan that they promote those students who did their intermediate instead of their A-levels. But I do not agree with it because I feel that there are universities, private universities, that would take A-level students and would encourage them. And I feel that if you're good enough, if you're determined, if you have an aim in life, if you're very much sure of what you have to do and you have the strength to do it, to strive for what you want, you can do it. And that is why I feel even if I do my A-levels instead of my intermediate, I would be able to become a doctor. I would be able to get admitted into a good university and achieve in life what I really want to do. So in the end, I would just like to say it's something it's very common in everybody's life, but you can work things out, and I'm sure we're going to do the same thing. So I feel that after some time, we're going to reach a decision that's going to be beneficial for all of us. Thank you.
When you're as good as you are, even encourage looks bad. It's encourage. When you're that good, get your pronunciations, your accents right, get your language right. Total अबूर लाइन, हाथ यहाँ तक तो आ गया, इसको पकड़ें. ये मशीन गन जो है सहारा देती है, ठीक है? What I loved about what you said was the way you closed it. इख्तिलाफ है, लेकिन हम फैसला कर लेंगे. दूसरी बात जो मुझे आपकी पसंद आई, आपने क्लीशे को दोहराया, लेकिन उसको एक्नॉलेज किया कि भाई क्लीशे है, लेकिन मैं इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ, तो क्लीशे होने की जो कमजोरी थी वो टूट गई. So very good there. Get good points for me, Marine.
It was good, not as good as your Urdu. But it was a spontaneous subject. I think it took you by surprise. और मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ही अच्छे पाकिस्तानी बच्चों की तरह आपने अपने वालिदैन को नाखुश नहीं किया और उनकी रिस्पेक्ट का बड़ा ख्याल रखा, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है. Yeah, it was fine.
अतिया याद है हम जब प्रिलिमिनरी राउंड कर रहे थे तो बेशतर बच्चों ने जब हमने पूछा आप क्या करेंगे तो कहे जी वो अब्बाई की ख्वाहिश है या अम्मी की ख्वाहिश है. तो ये उसी की थोड़ी सी रिफ्लेक्शन आपको नहीं दिखी यहाँ पे? उस पर भी कुछ कमेंट की जो इनकी तकरीर पे भी.
हाँ, आई थिंक शी प्लेड अ लिटिल सेफ. मतलब है आपने कोई जो what we may have been looking for something a little juicier, a little more, you know, hard hitting. This was, you know, a nice girl playing it safe. But on the other hand, you're very likable, you're very approachable. You know, I like the sort of shyness and the sweetness that came across. But it could have been a little, you know, could have had a little more punch.
Fantastic. तशरीफ रखिए.
Yeah, well put.
यामीन साहब कुछ बड़ी गहरी सोच में, आपको 2 मिनट हम और सोचने देते. मारूख आइए, तशरीफ लाइए. अपने टॉपिक का इंतजार कीजिए. बजर 1.5 मिनट का बजर और 2 मिनट का बजर. जी मेरी फरमाइए.
What surprise do we have in store for you? मारूख का सब्जेक्ट 2 मिनट का अंग्रेजी में ये होगा, boys are given preference over girls in Pakistan. Is that right? लड़कों को लड़कियों के ऊपर अहमियत दी जाती है, क्या ये सही है?
Good evening, judges. I strongly feel that this thought is basically a thought by a lot of people in our country. And I disagree with this, highly disagree with this, because no matter what happens, a woman, a female, is one who bears kids, educates them at home, brings them up, and saying that, and saying that women should not be educated, and this is absolutely a wrong idea, because that means that men will remain dominant no matter what happens. And we all believe that it's a male-dominant world, although there are a lot of women who do a lot of things and have become presidents, prime ministers, whatnot. That really does prove that women can do a lot. Women can achieve a lot. And they're all-rounders. They can take care of their households, everything. It doesn't mean that if you stop educating them, it would probably mean that you're trying to stop them from achieving success, from having an upper hand over you. So basically what I believe in is that the thought of not educating women is absolutely incorrect.
Okay, thank you.
I loved your posture. I mean, I loved that position of, because you were not hiding yourself. I really liked that position. The heels were helping you. Everything was fine. The content was weak, but that's okay. जब आपने fumble किया ना, वो बड़ी गड़बड़. अच्छा, fumble करने में कोई problem नहीं होती. हम live है ना, बत्ती गिर गई कोई गिर गई. The key is how you deal with it. आपको वो I'm sorry नहीं कहना चाहिए था. Never let them know that you fumbled. Turn it into a thought. बड़ा pensive हो जाए ऐसे सोच में पैर जाओ, ठीक है? So you have to play with that. जी मेरी.
I was disappointed, Maru, because I feel that your English is probably stronger than your Urdu. So this should have been where you would have played home your advantage, as English being the language you're more comfortable in. Lekin, having said that, content weak tha, but good recovery. Everybody makes mistakes, but how you come out of them shows a lot about your confidence.
I'm not sure if Maruf understood the topic properly, because where was the education aspect coming into it? Do you understand what I'm saying? It was, whether you felt that women, whether it was
boys are
giving preference. So it had nothing to do with education as such. And you kept referring back to education. So I don't know.
I think we're trying to build a case on that, right?
But it wasn't very clear. So I think that's where you kind of fumbled a little bit. Okay.
Okay. इसमें एक और चीज. Did you understand the topic or did you not understand it? Or you thought there was a confusion? Okay. ठीक है. आइए तशरीफ रखिए. उसमें एक बात ये कि अगर समझना है तो पूछ लेना भाई. But if you don't understand, ask. नहीं पूछेंगे तो गड़बड़ हो जाती है. ठीक है. इससे पहले कि हम अपने अगले मेहमान को यहाँ बुलाएं कि आके वो अपना जो पटारी है उसमें से पर्ची निकलवा के देखें. उन्होंने किस पे कहना है, एक बार और याद दहानी करा दूं, www.azmealishan.com पे जाके ज़रूर रजिस्टर कीजिए. ये जमा क़यादत की तलाश है. इसमें हमने ये देखना है कि आने वाली नस्ल में वो चमकते सितारे कौन से हैं. सितारे सब हैं, कुछ ज़्यादा चमकते हैं, कुछ कम. ये इसका मतलब नहीं कि कोई किसी से कम है. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इंशाअल्लाह सब मिल के आगे बढ़ेंगे. और इसी क़यादत के साथ एक छोटा सा वक्फा ले लीजिए.